Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Begin by measuring ingredients precisely. Use 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 4 tablespoons butter. Bring them to a rolling boil in a medium saucepan. Remove from heat and mix in 1 cup all-purpose flour and stir until a smooth dough forms, scraping the pan edges so no lumps remain. Let dough cool 5 minutes before piping, then beat in 2 large eggs one at a time until glossy and pipeable. Place dough into a star-tip pastry bag and set aside. Prepare a deep, heavy pot with 2 inches of vegetable oil and heat to 375 degrees F, using a thermometer for accuracy and safety. Pipe 4-inch ropes into the hot oil and cut with scissors, working in small batches to avoid temperature drops. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry each side 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown and crisp, then transfer to a wire rack briefly to drain excess oil, and keep warm in a low oven while finishing remaining churros. Once drained, immediately roll hot churros in 1/2 cup sugar plus 1 teaspoon cinnamon so coating adheres while warm and crisp. Do this one at a time for even coverage. Serve with 1/2 cup warm chocolate sauce or dulce de leche for dipping, and suggest 5 to 6 churros per person as a typical portion. To keep texture, store cooled churros in an airtight container at room temperature up to 24 hours and re-crisp in a 350 degrees F.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.